In this lecture, we will talk about dimensions in ArchiCAD. Dimensions help us in establishing the sizes of objects and elements that we have drawn for our project. For example, if we want to know the length of a wall, the thickness of a wall, or the width of an opening such as a door or a window. So to understand them better, we look at the different types of dimensions that are there in ArchiCAD. Let's go to the document menu. So under document, we have documenting tools. Then down here, we have this dimension. We have a level dimension. We have a radial dimension and an angle dimension. So these are 4 types of dimensions. So I'll begin with the very first one, which is this. So just click on it to activate it. Then this one is for allowing us to measure the sizes of elements that are straight. That is, like if we want to get the length between 2 points, like the length from this point to this point, what we do is we click on this point as our starting point, then we move the cursor to the ending point, and then we click. We have picked 2 points for our dimensions. Then to place that, just move that pencil cursor to the direction, to the side where you want that dimension to be placed. Then click twice to activate the dimension line. And then you will see the cursor turn to an armor-like appearance. Then from there, when you are certain that this is where you want to place this dimension, you just click to place it. So for this dimension, we are able now to establish the size of this wall in terms of the length from this exterior point to this other point. Now let's say we want to measure angles, like we want to know angle between the intersection of these 2 walls. So these are the walls, and we want to know the angle between these 2 walls. This type of a dimension is called angle dimension. So we activate the angle dimension, and then what I'll do is I'll click on this point to start, then click on this other point and this other point. Then I want to know the angle from this to this face. So I will double click on this, then that angle is placed. So this is what we are calling angle dimension. For example, also, let's say we have these 2 lines that I have drawn as that, and I want to know angle between the 2 lines. So what we'll do, we go to document, documenting tools, and activate angle dimension. And I'll be able to now pick these 3 points. So this is the procedure. Click on this point, pick this point and this point. Then to place your dimension, so come to this line and double click. Then your angle dimension is going to be placed there. So the next, in terms of types of dimensions, here we have a radial dimension. Radial dimensions will help us in getting the radius of circular elements. Let's say we have this circle. That's a segment. So if we want to tell the radius of this segment, we'll activate the radial dimension here, and then come to this point, pick this, then move that cursor that way until we have this intersection with the part of that segment, and then click to release it, and you will get to see this is the radius of this segment. So still under dimensions, we also have that is called we also have a type of dimension that is called a level dimension. So what this does is it gives us the height above the ground. So we are on the ground floor. So with this, when I am on the ground floor, let's say I choose to create a level, and you see this. Let's see what happens with this. This is at 30, meaning we have from the existing ground to the top surface of this slab that we created is that. If we go to the first floor and create a level dimension here, you will see that we have a difference of plus 3000 millimeters, and that is part of what is set here for our story elevation heights, that is height to the next level. So those are the types of dimensions that we have in ArchiCAD, and that's how to use them. And that is how to apply them.